Day 16 of our Nutcracker Adventures, 24 unique videos, one different video every day leading up to Christmas. Today we have the Russian dance from the second act and we are going to do a short combo of turns. But first, I'm going to share with you some tips that are going to help you to improve spotting. Tip number one, always keep upright position, elongated neck and chin up. Now find one spot right in front of you that is not too high or not too low. It's just right in front of you at the same height of your side, of your eyes. Second tip, make sure that it's big enough so you don't get lost while you're turning. Because if we find something very little, or I would recommend you that if you're in the stage and you can see someone in front of you from the audience, make sure that that person is going to be your spot, because at the end they are not going to move. They're going to be there for you the entire scene. Or if you're in the class, find something that is static and won't move and is big enough for you to ensure that you can follow it the entire time. You have to whip your head really fast. It's not like turning around and you know that your spot is there. You do nothing with that. Find your spot and just whip and whip. And the next tip is what I will always tell my students. Make sure that your head is the last one so you keep entire contact or as much as possible with your point and immediately arrive first than your body. We will do an exercise where we actually make sure that your shoulders and hips in a square position leave and start turning, heads stay behind, but now head is gonna arrive first and my body then arrives later. This is going to help you to improve your spotting like this. It's just that every time I see my students doing a pirouette like this, I'm like, how can you do that? How can you do one pirouette and not make sure that you get that dynamic? It gives the entire accent of the pirouette. Imagine doing a double pirouette. That's just a gifted dancer, really. Like, think about it. 1, 2. Use it, use your spot, use the accent. Now, let's get to our exercise because I'm getting really excited. And let's do our combination with our music, and then we're gonna do it with the music. By the way, today's video is sponsored by Energetics. As you can see, not only skirts and leotards, but also amazing leggings. I'm gonna leave in the description of this video the link for this entire outfit and for the website so you have a better look to the products. Now let's get to learn our exercise. We are going to begin in the left diagonal behind of us, cross-step facing the left diagonal in front of us, right leg in front, arms above, and the music is going to do way play. Okay? So use the accent of the music to move your arms, open arm, stay, plie. We are going to open leg and arm together directly to the side, pick a fifth position, releve, left leg on the back, plie, repeat one more time, plie. We are going to do piqué, soutenu, plie, and 5, 6, 7, plie, repeat, fifth position, plie, fifth position, plie, piqué, soutenu, plie, piqué, passé, plie, pas de bourrée, plie, run towards the right diagonal behind us, fifth position, left leg in front, 5, 6, 7, plie, and repeat again the same. So we have 2 piqué, fifth position, 1 piqué soutenu, stretch, plie, and repeat, 1 piqué, fifth position, second, piqué soutenu, plie, piqué passé, right leg on the back this time, plie, pas de bourrée, plie, run towards the center this time, fifth position, right leg in front and fast, straight, plie. We are going to do passé, plie, passé that change, plie, passé, plie, pirouette from fifth position. So the coordination of arms that I will ask you to do will be open on plie and closing that passé, and open on the plie together and close. And now we are going to open just one, so we practice that mechanism of pirouette, right? So plie, open, passé, first, plie, pirouette, change, and we have left leg in front, and we are going to repeat the same to the left, passé, that change, passé, that change, left arm, left leg, left arm, left leg, From here, take your time, pirouette forward, either to the right or to the left. And now I want you to focus on spotting, the energy and coordination of arms when doing pirouette. And let's try to do multiple pirouettes to your favorite side, either right or left. Now, let's do the exercise with music. Fifth position, right leg in front, cross it. Open arm, head, plie, piqué, plie, piqué, plie. Stretch, piqué, piqué, piqué soutenu, plie, passé, pas de bourrée, run, piqué, piqué, piqué soutenu, stretch, piqué, piqué, passé. Go to the center, passé, passé, stay, plie, pirouette, passé. What an amazing time I'm having with you guys. If you're new in this channel, remember to subscribe so you don't miss tomorrow's video. And don't forget to share with all of your friends. Also, leave me a comment down below which one is so far your favorite tutorial. See you tomorrow.